Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for your time to introduce ourselves. And my name is Someya at NEC in Japan. Sometimes we are called NEC or NEC, but I want to say we are NEC. So it's a good chance to introduce who is NEC and what we want to do and what is our expectation to startups. And before introducing my expectation to the business, I'd like to touch our history. We established 1899, almost 120 years ago. And we started our business, the first joint venture between Japan and the US. And this person is our founder, and he worked with Thomas Edison in US. And he decided to start his business from a telecom equipment in Japan. And almost 100 years, we expand the business from telecom carriers, the semiconductors, and the computers. And I think some of people knows we are the top vendors in semiconductors, but it's just a story 28 years ago. So within 20 years, we try to change our business from hardware to a more innovative one. And currently, our key driver is first one is innovation with startups and with partner companies, and the second one is M&A. These two to 3 years, we are very aggressive to acquire the company in global. And this is the overview of our business. I think our feature of our business, we have various types of industry. And I belong to enterprise. So my territory of business is retail, manufacturing, and transportation, and the finance. And of course, we also have some R&D activities. Now we're focusing on the AI and some biometric solutions. Of course, we continue to do some vertical business by industry. But now we try to change our policy from industry cut to social some value creation. And the first one is NEC Safer City. It's our new concept of our business. It's very simple. We try to make a safer city or safer society, like for airport or for smart city. And the left side is NEC value chain innovation. This is my main mission, to generate a better solution beyond the industry. And I want to show the two cases. The first one is Narita International Airport, the biggest airport in Japan. And we contracted with them to deliver a facial recognition system to realize the seamless journeys. But of course, this is the activities within the airport. And just a few weeks ago, we got another project with the Star Alliance. Of course, it's also a seamless journey project, but it's beyond the country. So, I think this is our first step to do new things. So we have to have new capabilities from startups and from partners to realize a better service beyond the airport or beyond the country. And about the NEC value chain innovations, our target segment is 5, related to the manufacturing or logistics, and of course the smart venue or finance. But my priority is to, with the plug and play, is retail sectors. And of course, as you know, the Japanese market has a unique characters. Most of Japanese people or Japanese company respect the sophisticated service, not only the customer service, but also some variety of products or fast cycle of products. And of course, the most of company also nervous to optimize inventory. And in all the situation, we are trained on the industrial knowledge. But I showed the aging or labor shortage or concentrated in larger cities. This is one of our social issues. So of course we think that is the problem, but we think that is a business chance for us if we can find out a good solution to improve this situation. And on the retail areas, our expectation on plug and play and the startups, these areas, customer experiences mainly. And we have several experiences on operational excellence, mainly life cycle management of IT infrastructure or some equipment in store. But frankly speaking, the customer experiences areas, there are many requirements from our customer, but our capabilities or our idea is limited. In many cases, we have a good technology, but we cannot design how we can provide the solution to the customer. So at this point, I want to collaborate with the startups. We like have a good technology and a good knowledge on industry, and of course a good business sense. And I think from your side, this is our benefit. As I mentioned, we have several various type of customers. So by using the customer's cooperation, we can provide the good place to have a test with the customer on the real side. And we also have a test site under the collaboration to a certain convenience store in Japan. And additionally, originally we are the hardware vendor. So now we have a 380 branch of hardware maintenance office in Japan. So that also helps to support our collaboration. So of course we are very aggressive to R&D and including the startup collaboration. Okay, that is my presentation. So of course after this session, I want to discuss with you. Thank you very much. Are there any questions or comments?
When it comes to automation, what are your focus areas? You mentioned the shrinking population, all of this, or aging. What are your focus areas?
Yeah. Of course, I mentioned my responsibility is value chain innovation. The other team also supports safer cities. So each team has a different responsibility. But within my responsibility is to realize labor, to approach the labor shortage within the retail area. Of course, the similar activity is also happening on manufacturing. So this is I think our priority to solve. Okay.
Maybe if I don't, stop me if I haven't understood it correctly, but when you talk about like laborless, so thinking about automation where automation should exist, and is that to reduce labor or is that to reallocate labor to more human tasks? What's your goal? Is it to reduce labor or reallocate to add more value? So by providing
currently our focus is the more productive operation. But of course, we should do something new to reduce, to solve the labor shortage. But within our operation efficiency approach, unfortunately, we can do some automation within the existing operation.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you were trying to focus and work with the startups with regards to the customer engagement and the experience side of things, which was one of the key areas. what would you say are two of your major challenges in those aspects for NEC?
Of course, it's a general challenge for the companies. Of course, there is a big gap between the startups and our position is speed to decide and challenge and improve and deliver. There is a fundamental gap between the startups and our position. And on the view of the business, of course, I mentioned customer experience is important and my priority. But the Japanese market is not so mature on this area. So we decided to do it. So on the situation, if you ask me what is the key priority to do in the market, I cannot say correctly. So on those points, I'd like to discuss and what is the better way to do on the market. Yes.
Two questions for you. You showed a picture of, you said you have some sample retailers that you're working with, and one picture showed 7-Eleven. I believe it was one of the customer base. So the first question, could you give us a little bit more of an explanation of what type of customer base you have? Or is it grocery, convenience store, or apparel all over? So that's number one. And then secondly is who do you have relationships with? Is it mainly marketing, IT, store operations? Can you give us a sense of that?
On the customer side?
Yeah.
Yeah, and of course, I depend on the customers.
Yeah.
But mainly our contact point is the management people. And we are not so familiar to contact the marketing. So the mainly management or the head of the store operation, not store management. Head of store operation.
And what is it mainly grocery, convenience, or?
By industries, our focus area is the small format stores, like a convenience store. So the others mean convenience store or drug store is a priority.